थोड़ी इसको दे देना फोकस का। गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों, गुड मॉर्निंग समर्थ कुकरेती, गुड मॉर्निंग कनिष्क अरोड़ा, गुड मॉर्निंग द रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट, गुड मॉर्निंग प्रियांशु भट्ट। नाउ this today is the turn of a new chapter, and the new chapter, you know that the new chapter is matrices, matrices. Okay, the chapter number 7, chapter number 8, matrices. Okay, this is a very simple chapter, and the basic things means the 90% questions are given in our 10th class syllabus, but when you study in 12th class, there is the introduction, and the rest of the question you will deal in the 12th classes. Okay, in ICSE it is given in the 10th standard, but in the CBSE this is given in the 12th standard, and this is a very simple chapter. जब सॉल्व करोगे बहुत इजी चैप्टर लगेगा। थर्ड इजी चैप्टर, दो इससे पहले भी इजी चैप्टर आ चुके हैं। नाउ दिस इज वन थर्ड वन इजी चैप्टर। व्हाट इज द मैट्रिक्स? ओके, आपके माइंड में भी बहुत सारी चीजें आ रही हैं कि नई चीज है, क्या होगा मैट्रिक्स। तो मैट्रिक्स अगर आप बात करें, इफ यू हैव गिवन अ नंबर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, ओके, these number are given here. So the arrangement of the given number in the form of the rectangular. Okay, when we arrange a given number in the form of rectangular, the rectangular arrangement of the any number is known as matrix. Yeah, in the another way we can say the definition: when the given number is arranged in the row and column, okay, then it's make a shape of the rectangular, so it is known as matrix form of the number. Okay, and the singular form of the it is matrix, singular form is matrix, and its plural form is known as matrices. So arrange this number in the form of the row and column. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then outside is bracket. Outside is this type of the bracket. We can arrange the given numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 in the so many ways. Another way is, or we have 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 9 number are given here. Okay, 9 number is given here. We can write फिलहाल हम इसको इतना ही अरेंजमेंट कर सकते हैं, यही एक पर्टिकुलर रहेगा सर, क्योंकि अगर हम कुछ और उसमें अरेंजमेंट करते तो एक स्पेस छूट जाएगा। अगर आप करते हो 4 5 4, then 5 6 7 8, one number is left and 3 numbers are remaining here. Okay, so it is not a form of the rectangular, इसको हम लोग रिजेक्ट कर सकते हैं। If you have given number 1 to 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, to arrange it to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, next another way, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, this is the next way. Next is और वे में अगर अरेंजमेंट करना है तो इसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, this is the next form. Next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, it is our next form. So it is your choice, you can arrange the given number in the form of row and column, and then it's make a shape of the rectangle. So that arrangement of the number in the form of the rectangular form is known as matrices form. A matrix is known as matrix, and it is the main chapter is matrix, and its plural is matrices. And in the given numbers, the 1 2 3, all are the number given inside the matrix is known as element, is known as elements. So here we will tell, here we can say that 1 2 3 4 5 6 are the element given of given matrix. 1 2 3 4 5 is the element of the given matrix. Same here, the 1 to 8 are the element of the given matrix. tell me the shape of this matrix is rectangular shape. The shape of this matrix is rectangular shape. The shape of this matrix also rectangular shape. When you see it is like a matrix. It is also a rectangular shape. It is also a rectangular shape. This is also a rectangular shape. ये भी rectangular shape है. And the given arrangement, when you make a rectangle outside it, so you can see that this is also a shape of rectangle. So it means the basic definition of the matrix is the rectangular arrangement of the elements in mathematics is known as matrices. ओके ये चीजें हैं. अब इसमें दो चीजें आती है सर. मैंने रो और कॉलम का कांसेप्ट भी आपको बोला था, रो एंड कॉलम. तो the horizontal line is known as row. This is known as row. And next one is this is vertical lines या vertical arrangement. It is known as column. Okay. So first is what is the use of the matrix? What is the use of the matrices? So when you calculate the numericals in the cases of computer application, in the case of computer, so there are so many calculations are using solved with the help of the matrix. And when you go in the higher classes, there you will face the so many questions based on the matrices. Okay, but main in the standard way we can say that जहाँ पे आप लोगों को अभी इस लेवल में समझ में आ पाएगा, क्योंकि मैं अगर आपको बताऊंगा तो आपको कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आएगा कि हायर वे में कैसे यूज करते हैं. ओके, फिलहाल अगर बेसिक लेवल पे बोले तो कंप्यूटर लाइन में भी इसका यूज है, कंप्यूटर के फील्ड में. ठीक है, पर और मैथमेटिक्स में बहुत ज्यादा यूज है. तो नेक्स्ट the row is, this is the row, it is our row, and this is also another row. Next column, first column, second column, third column, fourth column. Here how many row? 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4 row. Row is equal to 4, and column 1 column, 2 column. Column is equal to 2. Next here this is the all the number arranged in a array form. It means only one row is given here. Only one row is equal to 1, and column is vertical horizontal line, sorry vertical line. तो नीचे की तरफ देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, तो column is equal to 8. Next here how many rows? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Row is equal to 8, and column is equal to 1. So arrangement of the numbers in the form of the row and column, then its make a shape of the rectangle is known as matrices. Okay, so hope you understand the basic concept of the matrices and how can we arrange give any numbers, any element in the form of the matrices. Okay, कैसे हम लोग अरेंजमेंट कर सकते हैं. But if you have given आपने अगर ऐसा कुछ बनाया 1 2 3 4 then 5 and 6, here it is the empty part. Okay, these two numbers are empty, so it is not a proper shape of the matrices and this will be wrong. ये कोई matrices की shape नहीं है. I told to you the number of row is 2 here, 1 and second 2 row, and column is 1 2 3 4. So in each row and in each column element it will be mandatory. It means it is must. Okay, हर जगह element होना चाहिए. अगर नहीं है तो this is not a form of matrices. Okay, so this is the wrong pattern of the matrices. Next one is row. You know about the row and column भी आपको पता लग गया. So with the help of the row and column we can identify the order of the matrix. अब ये order क्या बना है देखते हैं. What is the order? Order of the matrix. Order of matrix. So what is the order of the matrix? Now here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now what is the number of row here? The number of row 1, the horizontal line 2 and 3. Number of row is 3. Next number of column 1 2 3. Number of column is equal to 3. Number of column is equal to 3. Anirudh Joshi, good morning sir. Okay, good morning Anirudh Joshi. Row is 3 and column is equal to 3. So the cross of row and column, row cross column, it is equal to 3 cross 3. It means 3 into 3. When you solve it 3 cross 3, then it is 9. Okay, it is represent to 9. Okay, so 9 is denoted here the number of element. The number of element is given in the matrices. The given matrix. What is the number of product of the row into column? It is 9. So 9 will represent the number of element are given in the matrices. So check it, how many element are here? 1. Then the first element, second element, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 element are given here. So this 9 will represent the odd number of elements. And this product, this cross R into C. Here it is represented by 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 denoted to the order of the matrix. The order of the matrix is, it is the cross of the row and column of the given matrix. Okay. Next 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the order of this matrix? So here we will write here इस वाले part में here we will write या here we can mention the product of the cross of the row and column. So what is the row and column? Sometimes so many students forget what we will write first, column we will write first and row we will call first. Okay, so simply you can learn it RC. RC means गाड़ी की, कार की या बस की या किसी चीज की आरसी होती है ना, आरसी जो डॉक्यूमेंट होते हैं गाड़ी के, उसको लगना को आरसी. तो देन R into means R cross C. तो R cross C it represent the order of the matrix, and order of the matrix represent how many row and how many column are given in the matrix, and with the help of this product we can calculate the number of element are given in the matrix. Okay, so what is the row and column? The number of row, first row and second row. So row is according to I told to you, first will be row and second column will come. First row and row. Okay, what is the number of row? Row is 2 and column is equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and if you change the order of this matrix, if you are writing, suppose it is 3 into 2, 3 into 2, it means the number of row is 3. The number of row is 3. First row, second row, third row, and number of column is 2. 1 and 2 column. The first number will become here, second, third, 4, 5, 6. The shape and size of the matrix in this case it is changed. यहाँ पे देखो कितनी रो है? Row is 2, but here row is 3. Column here 1, 2, 3 column, but in the second case column is 2. So remember this thing. First row will come, then after that column. Okay. Next, एक question arise हो सकता है आपके mind में. What is the question here? I told to you the rectangular arrangement of the number, but sometimes I am writing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. And as you know that the order, what is the order here? Order is 3 into 3, means row cross column. What is the row? Number of row is 3 and cross number of column it is also 3. So 3 by 3. The order of this matrix is 3 by 3. And the number of element, how many number of element are given in this matrix? So 3 cross 3 is equal to 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 9 element are given here. But what question can arise on your mind? Sir, it is, sir, I told to you the rectangular arrangement, but when you check it, it is the spherical arrangement. Okay, here number of side length बोल सकते हैं, length 3 और width भी 3. It means horizontal and vertical both sides are equal. तो in this case it is a spherical matrix, but as you know that हर एक square अपने आप में क्या होता है? Rectangle होता है. Okay, each and every square is in the form of the rectangle, but rectangle not a square. Okay, rectangle square नहीं होता है, but square को क्या बोल सकते हैं? It is a rectangle. तो so we can say that this is also a rectangular arrangement of the given matrix. Okay, हलवा क्वेश्चन है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बहुत बढ़िया सा चैप्टर है. ठीक है, इतने properly we have solved out of the 6. It is the 8th chapter. The 8th chapter, so we have complete 8 we are solving here, and 7 chapter are completed. So out of the 7 we have complete properly 5 chapter. Okay, 5 chapter we have completed properly. 2, one is share and dividend is remaining, one is GST is remaining. So in any another lecture I will explain the everything here, because you know that in the case of the GST question are very lengthy. Okay, question are very lengthy. If I write the question here, so then how can we solve the solution here? So now we have the projector. So in the next class I will, next class means after the matrices. Okay, so I will take your these two remaining chapters, shared and dividend and GST. Okay, तो सर आ जाओ वापस GST के लिए उसमें matrices. Now write in the comment section. Write in the comment section. What is the order of the given matrix? What is the order of this matrix? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Please write in the comment section what is the order of this matrix. Now immediately write your answer in the comment section. What is the order of this matrix? I am waiting your answer. Okay, 7 students are watching this video. Thank you all the students, thank you for your cooperation and enjoy your classes. Okay, and hope you will feel like it is as a proper classes. 2 into 4 Kanishk Arora 2 into 2, please check it properly. And Samarth Kukurati 2 into 4. Okay, row is 2 and column is 4. Okay, Samarth, very good. 2 into 4, the order is 2 into 4. Okay, Kanishk Arora 2 into 4. Okay, both answers are correct. And 6th are watching, I request those are watching this video, please send their answer. Adyan Pamar, thank you sir. Adyan Pamar, what is your name? I request all the students, those are watching this video, please send your answer in the comment section. 2 into 4. Okay, very good. So many answers are coming here. The first I told to you, first row will come, then after that column will come. The number of row. What is the number of row? First row. This is our first row and this is our second row. Next, number of column. First column, second column, third column and fourth column. So first row, number of row is 2 and number of column is 4. So 2 into 4. And if your order is correct, 2 into 4, so your number of element will be 8. And you can check here how many elements are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means our answer is correct, our order is correct, but I told you so many students made the mistake here in the case of according to row order, it is row into column, but so many students are writing column into row. Mistake कर लेते हैं बहुत सारे बच्चे, तो इसको याद रखो RC. Okay. Next, okay. Next इसके बाद जो टॉपिक आएगा types of the matrices. Okay, types of matrices. First one is types of matrices. The first one is row matrix. Row matrix means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, 1, 2. Row matrix. So how many? If you have given a single row, that matrix is known as row matrix. The number of row, it is a single row. Okay, row 1. Okay, in the first case, how many row are given here? Only single row is given here. So this type of the matrix is known as row matrix. Next example, 2, 3. This is also a row matrix. Next one is column matrix. Column matrix means, you know that if you have given only and on one column in the given matrix, only one column, 1, 2, 3. How many column here? Only one column is here. Row it can be infinite. Row can be infinite, but column is one. How many row are here? Number of row 1, 2, 3 row, but column it is mandatory, must be 1. Then that type of the matrix is known as, if the column is 1. देखो कितने column? Only one column. All the numbers are coming in a below the single line. Okay, it means one column. So one column. Tell me what is the order of this matrix? What is the order of this matrix? You can write in the comment section. First row into column. So one row. 1 into column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 into 4. Next, what is the order of this matrix? one first is row. So how many row are here? 1 2 3. 3 row are here. Column is only one. So 3 into 1. Next, first is row matrix, second one is column matrix, next one is the square matrix. Okay, next is square matrix. Square matrix, when the number of row and number of column are equal in the given matrix, the number of row 1 2 3 4, how many row are given here? First row, second row, column, one row, second column, sorry, one column and second column. The number of row and number of column, row is 2 and column is equal to 2. So it is the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. So when the number of row and the number of column in the given matrix are equal, so that matrices is known as a row matrix. It is known as square matrix. Next example is if 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, 8 9 0. The order is, what is the order? 3 by 3. 3 by 3, the number of row and number of column are equal. So this is also example of the square matrix. Okay, next is zero matrix. Next, zero matrix. Zero matrix means when each and element of the given matrix is zero. When every element, each element of a given matrix is zero, so that matrix is known as zero matrix. All the elements are 0 0. Next, 0 0 0 0 0 0. Next 0 0 0 0. This is also a zero matrix. कोई कॉलम में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, रो भी गिवन है, ऑर्डर भी गिवन है. तो these are the example of zero matrix. Next one is diagonal matrix. What is the diagonal matrix? So diagonal matrix means 1 0 0. Okay. Next 0 2 0 0 0 3 0 0 3. So in the case of the diagonal here, the numbers in the diagonal are non-zero numbers. Okay, when you have found that in the case of the diagonal, if digit is non-zero number and rest of the elements are zero, so this type of that matrix is known as diagonal matrix. And next one is इन दोनों में confusion create हो सकता है, इसलिए मैंने एक साथ ले रहे. Next one is unit matrix. Yeah, it is known as identity matrix. In the case of unity identity, the number is 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. So what is the difference here? The difference is the diagonal number are non-zero number and rest of the numbers are zero. Rest of the elements are zero. अब इस केस में देखो, the diagonal is 1 1 1 1 1. तो यहाँ पे in the case of the diagonal matrix, the diagonal number it can be any number. It may be any number. It may be 1 2 3 4 5 6. But in the case of unit means, you know that unit means one. Identity means single. Unit means single. In the case of the unit matrix, the diagonal number it is always in the form of 1. Okay, ये हमेशा क्या रहेंगे? 1 रहेंगे. But in the case of the diagonal matrix, the diagonal number it can be any number. But here it can be only and on 1. So the difference is between these two matrices is the diagonals. It can be any number and it may be only and on 1. Okay, so this is the difference between the diagonal matrix and unit matrix. And remember this thing, unit matrix and identity matrix is always denoted by I. It is always denoted by I. This is denoted by I. Next, another example of the identity matrix. Unit matrix, it is denoted by I. And when you see your xi, so many times you will notice that I is given there. Okay, I is given there. So I represent to the unit matrix, identity matrix. So tell me what is the matrix of identity? of order 2 by 2, 2 cross 2, इसमें कितने आएंगे? तो सर फर्स्ट नंबर इज 1 0, then 0 and 1. Diagonal must be 1, diagonal must be 1 and rest of the element will be 0. Next second example is 1 0 0. अब देखो सर 1 0 then 0 1 0 1 0. अब आप बोलेंगे कि ये तो डायगोनल में है, तो सर बट it's not making a complete diagonal. It is not making a complete diagonal because diagonal कहाँ तक आना था? यहाँ तक आना था. तो this is not a identity matrix है, unit matrix. तो identity matrix remember on this point on your mind. एक और देख सकते हैं 1 0 0 then 0 1 0 0 0 1. तो 0 0 1 तो order is 3 by 3. And what is the order here? Number of row 2 and number of column 1 2 3 2 into 3. So this is not an identity matrix was first part and the third is the example of the identity matrix. So what can you see here? So sir, in the case of the both matrices the order is always same. So you remember this point on your mind. The order of an identity matrix, your unit matrix, it is also same. और किस फॉर्म में बन रहा है? It is in the form of the spherical shape. It is also in the form of the spherical shape. So hope you understand the basic things and the basic types of the matrices. Okay, कैसे हम लोग मैट्रिक्स को आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे? What is the order of the matrix? What is the types of the matrix? What is identity matrix? What is row matrix, column matrix? Okay, so these are the basic things and so many students make the confusion in between diagonal matrix and in unit matrix. So remember this point on your mind. Okay. Shivam Khandudi, good morning. Okay. Next is the next equivalent matrix. Okay, equivalent matrix. So this is the introductory video, introductory lecture of the matrices. Okay, so hope you understand the basic things of the matrix. Next, equivalent matrix. Yeah, what is the case of equivalent? What is the case of equivalent? So if you have given here 2a B and 3. Here we will solve so many questions based on the algebra also. हम लोग यहाँ पे algebra भी पढ़ेंगे, यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना. And it is equal to, if suppose this is equal to 2 3 4 and 3. 2 4 3 and 3. Now what is the order of this matrix? The order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. The order of this matrix is also 2 cross 2. The first matrix is equal to the second matrix is given here. I am not taking, मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. This is according to the order 2 by 2. Both matrices are equal to each other. So when the both matrix, two matrices of equal order are equal to each other, when the two matrices of the same order are equal to each other, at that time we can say that each corresponding element are also equal to each other. So each and every corresponding element of the matrices are equal to each other. But condition is the order will always same. Order is always same. So it means 2 is equal to 2. Corresponding, when you take this part, this matrix and keep above the first matrix. Okay, इसके ऊपर जब आप रखोगे, when it make it overlap, so 2 will remain same. 3 is all 3 is 3. So then what is the value of A? So the value of A is equal to 3 and the value of B is equal to 4. So this condition is known as equivalent matrix. So in the case of the equivalent matrix, we can compare the each and every element of the first matrix is equal to the another matrix. Okay, हर एलिमेंट को हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? इक्विवेलेंट लेके इक्वल कर सकते हैं. Okay, next if I ask to you 2 into A into B and 3 4 5, then is equal to the order of this matrix. What is the order of this matrix? First row, second row. So 2 into 3 column. So 2 into 3. Next it is equal to 2 4 3 and 4. Can you tell me both are equivalent to each other. Write in the comment section the both matrix are equivalent to each other, and can you compare the element of the first matrix is equal to the second matrix. Write your answer in the comment section. No sir, Adyan Pawar, please write your name because I not identified to you because your proper name is not coming on the display. Adyan Pawar, please write your name sir. कोई है नहीं लेकिन है ना जब रिप्लाई कर रहा है. स्मृति, अच्छा ओके ओके वेरी गुड स्मृति. अच्छा अध्ययन पवार मीन्स योर ब्रदर्स नेम अध्ययन गिर. ओके we cannot compare the both matrices here because their order is different, 2 by 3 and 2 by 2. so both matrices are not equivalent to each other. यहाँ पे हम कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते हैं, कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. तो इस चीज को भी ध्यान रखना. The next is okay, so first is the introductory video. I have explained everything that are given in the introduction part of this video. The next exercise is question exercise 8a. Exercise 8a. So exercise 8a is the very simple one. So I request please try to solve the question number. Please try to solve the question number 1, 2. Question number 1, 2. And one more thing. If sometimes let's suppose a matrix is 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5. so it is suppose it is equal to A, means a matrix A is represented to 2 4 3 5 2 4 3 5 and order of this matrix is 2 by 2. तो इसको हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं A, their order is R into C, row into column. So then we can represent it I, row is represented by I and sometimes it is represented by J. So A into IJ. So what is the meaning of A into IJ? So A is represented to any matrix and I and J are the row and column. So I is denoted to the row and J is denoted to the column. Okay, and A and J are denoted to the column. So one question is given in our exercise. Third question, the construct 2 by 2 matrix. Construct 2 by 2 matrix. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix A where element Aij are element Aij is equal to 2I minus J and whole square. So construct a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, question number third is given here. तो एक मैट्रिक्स आप लोगों को बनानी है जिसमें ये कंडीशन गिवन है. बट दिस क्वेश्चन आई विल टेक इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर बिकॉज टाइम इज ओवर एंड द नेक्स्ट क्लास टाइमिंग इज ओके, मतलब नेक्स्ट क्लास का टाइमिंग स्टार्ट हो रहा है. तो सो आई एम एंडिंग दिस सेशन. आई रिक्वेस्ट those question you can done easily, so I request please solve this question. But tomorrow I will start this 8A exercise. Okay, 8A exercise I will take tomorrow. And thanks for watching the video. And you know time is always 6:30 AM. 6:30. Sometimes 5 minutes it is late. You know the connection. Sometimes it is a connection problem. Sometimes बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी है कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम श्योर है कि आती है. तो फिर भी हम लोग पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो एंड टुमारो वी विल मीट अगेन विद एक्सरसाइज 8A.